Hey guys, my name is Damien Black. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make an extra $100 every single day with content locking and free traffic. Now before I get started with the video guys, make sure to check out my CPA Marketing Mastery course below this video. It's the first link in the description. It's only $37. It's super cheap and this course is all about free traffic. So if you're on a super tight budget and you don't have any money to spend on ads, but you still want to make an extra $100, $200 every single day with free traffic, then make sure to click the first link below this video. Now, let's get started. Now, so to make money with content locking, we need a product or an ebook or a software or some kind of valuable content that's gonna incentivize our leads. So if I told you to submit your email on my website, would you do it? If I didn't give you anything for it, you wouldn't. So we have to pick a product that we're gonna give away for free. Every time somebody comes to our product, they're gonna have to unlock a specific offer so that they get the product or the ebook and we get a small commission. So for this example, I'm going to be using the YouTube growth niche. This is part number 2. In the last previous video, I showed you the make money online niche, and I showed you how to promote your content locker on YouTube. So guys, make sure to search for an ebook you want to promote. For this example, I'm going to be using YouTube growth. Okay, so I like this one, free PLR ebook, how to get 10,000 real YouTube views in a week. Okay, so for everyone that's trying to grow on YouTube, will find this ebook valuable and helpful. So I'm gonna download it. Okay, so my ebook is downloaded and it's in the zip format. So I'm gonna drag it to my desktop like this. And now what you wanna do is you wanna get the shareable link. So you're gonna have to go to google.com/drive. Okay, so go to this website. Now you wanna click on Go to Drive. Now, once we're in the back office of our Google Drive, you wanna click on New, File Upload, and you wanna click on your ebook. Okay, so it's gonna upload right there. Now what you want to do is refresh the page once it's done. Nice. So I'm gonna refresh the page and there we have it. Now I'm gonna go on double click, wait for it to open. How to get 10,000 real YouTube views. I'm gonna click the 3 dots up here, click on share. And now what you want to do is change to anyone with the link. So anybody with the link can open this ebook. Got it. Now I'm going to click on copy link because we're going to need it in a second. So now I'm going to copy it and let's go to CPA Grip and create the content locker. So what you want to do now is go to URL file locker and you should see something like this. Now what you want to do is click on the create new URL file locker button, click on I agree to the terms of service, continue, and now here is our content locker. So let's begin with the creation. Now back here you have templates which you can use. So let's just, for example, click on this one maybe, or this one. You can choose any one of these. They're completely for free. And I'm gonna keep it simple and I'm gonna choose this one. All right, so I'm gonna click on general and let's edit a few things in here. So the name is YouTube growth. All right, this is for us. Get instant access All right, so we can offer below to unlock. Let's copy it somewhere. How to get 10,000 real YouTube views in a week. So I'm gonna use that to unlock. Nice. Complete an offer below to unlock the how to get 10,000 YouTube views in a week ebook. File name. File size. Let's just do 2 megabytes. Uploaded 2 days ago. And now here is the shareable link that we copied earlier. So I'm going to copy it again to show you guys. I'm going to click on locked URL, right click, paste it, and every time somebody completes an offer, they're going to be redirected to this link. Now, show offers. You can go with 1 offer or 5 offers. It's up to you, but I like to keep it simple and keep it on 3 offers. Okay, and these offers will appear based on the country of your visitor. So now I'm going to click on create down here, and I'm going to show you how to edit the domain. Okay guys, so you should see something like this right now. All right, so now what you want to do is click on get links, and you can update your domain. I'm gonna name this YouTube Growth. Nice. And now I can get the link, all right, copy it, and we can start promoting, advertising this link. Now, our goal is to get as much people to this link as possible. So let me show you guys a great marketing method to do so. So in the previous video, in the previous part of this video, I showed you how to advertise your URL on YouTube. So basically by downloading content, free content from YouTube, and re-uploading that content, and that way you can get a lot of traffic to your URL. So in part number 2, I'm going to show you guys Facebook. Facebook is an awesome social media platform. I've been using this platform myself for affiliate marketing and CPA marketing since the very beginning. There's over 1 billion monthly users on Facebook. So that's why this is a huge opportunity for online marketers like you and like me. So since we're promoting a YouTube growth, a YouTube ebook, we want to find people. We want to find people or leads that are interested in YouTube, people who have a YouTube channel, people who are struggling to grow on YouTube. So we want to find these types of people. Now what you want to do is go to Facebook and search on your YouTube group or YouTube growth, okay? Now what you want to do is click on groups down here, and you can see that there's a bunch of groups with lots of members. Small YouTube channel community, 21,000 members. Small YouTubers growing together, 31,000 members, 8.7. So there's a bunch of YouTube groups in the YouTube niche that we can potentially join all of these, all right? Maybe you can join 5 to 10 of these groups and start helping other people, giving tips answering questions, and establishing credibility in those groups. So this is a public group. All right, there's 221 members. So let's go to somewhere else. This is a private group. All right, and now what you want to do is look at all of these guys. Look at all of these posts. 55 days from the creation of my channel, hitting 1,000 subscribers, #milestone. And look at all of these people who are commenting and who are engaging with these posts. So your job right now is not to spam your link, get my ebook for free, blah, 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 blah. No one's gonna enter an offer and you're not gonna make anything. Now, the secret to Facebook groups is to actually be helpful and actually be trustworthy. So if you're gonna spam your links inside these groups, you're not gonna make any money. It's not that easy. So you wanna start messaging, replying to comments, being helpful. If somebody asks a question inside one of these groups and you don't know the answer to it, then simply Google it. Google the answer and reply. All right, this is a private group. Make sure to join 5 to 10 groups if you're gonna do the YouTube niche just like I showed you. And anyways, what you wanna do is be helpful. And you can see all of these comments, guys. And you can start messaging these people, all of these people, and start a normal conversation and start asking them how they are doing with their YouTube channel, if they're struggling to grow, and simply start a conversation and start communicating like a normal person. And you can then simply send them a link to your ebook, tell them how great it is, how it's helped you and your friends. And if they're interested and if they see that you're giving them some kind of value, you don't even have to ask them to complete an offer. They're just going to go to the link, complete an offer themselves, and you're going to make money. So guys, don't spam your link everywhere. Be helpful, give value to other people, and I promise that you're going to see some conversions. And it's not that hard to make $100 every single day on Facebook. Okay, it's really not that hard. You just have to consistently message people and give value. But if you want to learn exactly how to do this, how to message people the right way and everything, then make sure to go to my CPA Marketing Mastery course. It's the first link below this video. I have Instagram traffic, Facebook traffic, TikTok traffic, bunch of bonuses, website tracking, marketing, landing pages, domains. Basically, this course is filled with a bunch of content. So guys, make sure to click the first link below this video and I'll see you in the next one.